Hey guys, it's been a while since I created any content and sent any emails or did any videos. So I just wanted to come on here, warm it up a bit, and just say thank you. Thank you so much for the continuous support that you provide, that you give me. Thank you for your love, your engagements. And I am just hoping that something amazing is happening for you this year, right? We're almost in the middle of the year. That's absurd, right? So I wanted to take this time and share some valuable insights and some of the things that I've been working on. So then this way maybe it'll be something that would benefit you and your business. So I'm a LinkedIn visibility coach and a business mentor. I help with pretty much building your brand on LinkedIn, getting that exposure, connecting with your ideal clients, having conversations, and overall, just being successful on the platform, right? Depending on what that success means to you, because success is different for everyone. But aside from that, here's some resources that I want to share with you. I wrote some amazing articles, and one of them being 20 content ideas for your LinkedIn, and how to grow your email list is another one, using LinkedIn events. So check those out. Let me know how you like them, and if there's something more that you want to kind of tap into or learn more of, then I'm open. I'm here to help, and I'm here to listen, and most importantly, I'm here to support you just like you guys support me. So thank you very, very much from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your Monday.